Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your PS4 controller to your Meta Quest 3 in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your controller is turned off. Afterwards, you just have to press and hold the PS button plus the share button together for a few seconds until the light starts blinking. This indicates that the controller is in the pairing mode. Now you need to wear your Meta Quest 3 and go to its settings. Inside the settings, simply go to devices and you need to look for the option of Bluetooth and you need to basically turn on your Bluetooth. Then you need to select the option of pair a new device. Afterwards, from the list, you need to choose the wireless controller. Within just a few seconds, the connection will be established. Once connected, the blinking light will become stable and this confirms that your controller is successfully paired with the headset. So you can launch a game or the application that supports the external controllers and your PS5 controller will now work for navigation and gameplay where supported. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.